Assalamualaikum, can I help you?
Waalaikumsalam. Yes, I am looking for Quran.
We have several types. One has Indonesian translation and types with color.
Oh, that's nice. Do you have a smaller size?
This is a pocket size Quran. It's easy to carry.
I see. What about this one?
That one has bigger letters. It's easy for elderly people.
I think I prefer the medium size with translation.
Good choice. The price is 13,000 rupiah.
Can I get a discount? I'm a student.
Okay, I give it to you for 20,000 rupiah.
Deal. I take it. Thank you.
Thank you.